Ethereum value equivalent to $3,312.18 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 3.247.40.30 The earlier day close, 3.253.23. The change was plus 58.95, plus 181%. Converse rate, US to ETH. Ethereum gauge for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $3,591. Exorbitant cost $44.58, while low cost $3,591. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3,952. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $40,166. Change for July 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $40,166. Excessive cost $44.33, while low cost $3,853. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $40,149. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $40,143. Change for August 0.6%. Ethereum figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $40,143. Exorbitant cost $49.61, while low cost $48,143. They found the middle value of cost $44.71. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $40,636. Change for September 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $4,636. Exorbitant cost $15,603, while low cost $4,636. They found the middle value of cost $5,028. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,236. Change for October 12.9%. Ethereum estimate for November 2024. To start with, cost at $5,236. Excessive cost $6,087, while low cost $5,236. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,562. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,689. Change for November 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at $5,689. Excessive cost $6,180, while low cost $5,372. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,754. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,776. Change for December 1.5%. Ethereum estimate for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at $5,776. Exorbitant cost $6,356, while low cost $5,524. They found the middle value of cost $5,899. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,940. Change for January 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at $5,940. Exorbitant cost $6,419, while low cost $5,579. They found the middle value of cost $5,984. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,999. Change for February 1%. Ethereum conjecture for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at $5,999. Excessive cost $66.22, while low cost $5,756. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,142. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,189. Change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else, cost at $6,189. Exorbitant cost $66.35, while low cost $5,767. They found the middle value of cost $6,198. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,201. Change for April's 2%. Ethereum gauge for May 2025. To start with, cost at $16,201. Exorbitant cost $6,811, while low cost $5,919. They found the middle value of cost $6,324. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $6,365. Change for May 6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at $6,365. Excessive cost $7,749, while low cost $6,365. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,930. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $72.42. Change for June 13.8%. Ethereum figure for July 2025. Before all else, cost at $72.42. Excessive cost $78.38, while low cost 6,812. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,304. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 73.25. Change for July 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place, cost at $73.25. Exorbitant cost $19.92, while low cost $73.25. The founder middle value of cost $8,060. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $84.97. Change for August 16%. Ethereum gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $84.97. Exorbitant cost $84.97, while low cost $7,313. The found the middle value of cost $8,043. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,863. Change for September 75%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else, cost at $7,863. Excessive cost $7,863, while low cost $6,143. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7,119. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $16,605. Change for October 16%. Ethereum figure for November 2025. Before all else, cost at $16,605. Excessive cost $8,198, while low cost $6,605. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7,268. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $17,662. Change for November 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else, cost at $17,662. Excessive cost $17,662, while low cost $6,092. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $69.92. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,550. Change for December 14.5%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $6,550. Exorbitant cost $6,550, while low cost $5,636. The found the middle value of cost $6,199. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,060. Change for January 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at $6,060. Exorbitant cost $75.22, while low cost $6,060. The found the middle value of cost $16,668. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,030. Change for February 16%. Ethereum gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at $7,030. Excessive cost $7,030, while low cost $5,492. The arrived at the midpoint